Does this sound familiar to you? That you meet a highly attracted girl for the first time and you instantly fall in love with her, or you're already having a female friend and you have got feeling for her. Like it doesn't matter what our situation is, but you wanted to tell her that how much you love her, but at the same time you also have a fear that she will reject your proposal, or she won't talk to you the way she is talking to you right now. That's why you hide your feelings and cannot say anything to her, and hoping that I'll show her how extra nice I am and how extra caring I am, and after that she will going to like me. Like guys, there's nothing wrong in nice and caring, but extra nice and extra caring, bro. Welcome to Friends on World. Well, no need to worry about what's all going on, bro. Welcome to the video. Today I am going to talk about how to say to a girl that you like her. Like I'm going to explain you two scenarios. Number one, when you meet her for the first time. Number two, when you already knew her for a while. Let's talk about first scenario, where you meet her for the first time. Like I have divided this point into two sections. Number one, where you all guys goes wrong and put yourself in a friend zone or scares the women off. Second, what you need to do when you meet her for the first time. Let's talk about first scenario, where you all guys goes wrong. Like I am going to give you two real examples. So there was this guy, let's call him Jack, and there was this girl, let's call her Charlotte. When Jack meets Charlotte for the first time, he instantly fall in love with her, and he started thinking, what should I say that she will like me? And he used to over compliment her like 4 to 5 times in a day. At first she felt good, but after some times, like 3 to 4 days, she started getting a vibe that his all compliments are made up. Guys, please do not make this mistake. Like if you want to compliment her like once in a while is good, and that should be a genuine compliment. Guys, let's talk about second example, and this is next level. Like there was this guy, when he met the girl for the first time, like in his first meeting, what he said to her that I used to be a womanizer in my college times. And when I got this info, I was like, what? Seriously, he said that? Guys, I beg you, do not say this to any women, please. Now let's suppose you are talking to any beautiful woman and you both are having an interesting conversation, you both are laughing, there is a great vibe, and suddenly you say this to a woman that you are fun to talk to and I think we can make a good connection. Guys, please never say this to a woman, because it confuses the women, and there are many women who overthink so much. Do you know what she'll think?
I am interesting to talk to, but I am not attractive? Or he only sees me as a friend. He also said we can make a good connection. Does that mean we can connect as a friend?
Then that girl doesn't show any interest. She will play hard to get and she will put you in a friend zone because she doesn't want to get rejected. Instead of, what you need to do is, let's suppose when you're talking to the woman that you like and you wanted her to know that how much you like her, then you have to be subtle. You don't have to be sleazy or direct. You have to say in such a manner that she should get an idea that you find her attractive and you are not talking to her as a friend. And at the same time, you don't have to be serious about it. Like you don't want to ask her that are you looking for a boyfriend, or I wanted to be a boyfriend. Now the question arises, how can you say it? You're having a great conversation with her. Then in the middle of the conversation, take a pause, look upside down. You don't have to stare her. You have to be like, you have to gaze her, like just a gaze. Then say, you're cute, I like you. As simple as that. Like you're being confident, making eye contact, or you're saying in a relaxed body manner, having a bit of a smile on the face. Now let's talk about second point. You already knew her for a while. Guys who are having a female friend like their best friend, or they have feelings for her, they know that getting out of the friend zone is 99.99%. Like there's no chance, it's impossible. Now you have one question in your mind: how can I show my feelings to her, that how much I love her, without being rejected or without ruining the friendship? Well, I have divided this point into two sections. Number one, where your proposal goes wrong or it might ruin the friendship. Number two, what you have to do. Now let's talk about first scenario, where your proposal goes wrong. Like when you meet a girl in your class or an event or at a party, and then you become friends, then best friends, then out of nowhere you got a feeling for her. And when you see your best friend talking to other guys, then you feel insecure, you'll get jealous. Then suddenly you confess your feelings to her by sending her cards, through different social medias like WhatsApp, Instagram, or face to face. And you're hoping that it might work and she like you. Well, in some cases it might work, but in most of the cases it doesn't work. She will reject your proposal and she will say that we're better off being friends. Now let's talk about how can you say it. So let's suppose you and her outside in a restaurant talking about different stuff like fashion. You are having an interesting conversation, you both are laughing, like there's a great vibe. Then pause in the middle of the conversation and have a bit of a smile, having a relaxed body language, and say, you have a great fashion sense. She might will laugh, she will feel flattered. Then just say, actually you have a very great fashion sense, but today you're looking like a witch. Then she might will laugh. Then you have to say, just kidding, you have a very great fashion sense, but you are a witch. Like, this is what I call a push-pull technique. Like, you are showing interest in her, but at the same time you are disliking her. I have shown you the one example. You can make your own example according to the scenario. Okay, now you have shown your confidence, you make her laugh, you have shown your masculinity. Okay, as an outcome, she'll be happy that you have liked something about her. Now you have to get the things moving along. Don't just stop. It is very vital that you should get the things moving along. Now you have to escalate the things. Now you have to take a one step forward. I know it will take guts, you will feel scared, but you have to take this step. You have to take one step forward. Let's suppose you and her outside in a restaurant, like having a dinner. Now you have to initiate physical touch, like putting her hair behind her ears, but you don't have to touch her sensitive parts, right? You have to take one step forward, not a 10th step. If you take a 10th step, you will fall off. If everything goes great, then she'll be your girlfriend. If not, at least you should be happy that you have tried. I am going to wrap this video up here. I think you have learned something new from this video. Like my video, if you're new, subscribe my channel and turn on your notification bell on. I'm gonna talk to you all in the next video. Stay happy and stylish.